What if I told you the single biggest leak in your trading account isn't a bad strategy, bad entries, or even bad risk management? It's a story. A story you tell yourself the moment you enter a trade. The story goes like this: I am right. This trade is going to work. And that story is costing you a fortune. Today, we're flipping that script. We're adopting the one mindset that acts as an armor against losses, revenge trading, and blown accounts. It's not about being pessimistic. It's about being bulletproof. The rule is simple. Assume you are wrong until the market proves you otherwise. Let's break down the default setting for most traders. You do your analysis, you see your setup, you get that gut feeling, you click buy or sell, and what happens mentally? Your brain, to avoid cognitive dissonance, immediately seeks evidence that you're a genius. You become a detective for your own bullish or bearish case. You ignore warning signs. You move your stop loss further away to give it room. You see every little pullback as just a shakeout. You are now married to your opinion. The market is no longer a source of truth. It's a jury you're trying to convince. This is how a 2% loss turns into a 10% disaster. So what does assume you're wrong actually mean? It means you enter every single trade with a humble scientific hypothesis. You say, I have an idea. Based on my analysis, price might go here, but I am very likely wrong. So I will let the market tell me if I'm right, and I will have a precise plan for when it tells me I'm wrong. This changes everything. It shifts you from an investor in your ego to a manager of risk. Your primary question is no longer, how much will I make? It's, where am I wrong? Your stop loss isn't just a random level. It's the I am wrong line. If price hits it, your hypothesis is invalidated. The market has spoken. Thank you. Next. No debate, no hesitation. Your job then is to define what proven right looks like. This isn't just your take profit. It's a series of milestones. Does price hold a key level? Does it break structure in your favor? Each milestone is a small piece of evidence that maybe, just maybe, your idea has merit, but you're still not right. You're just not wrong yet. Let's make this practical. Here's how your process changes. 1. The mantra. Before you click, say it out loud. I am probably wrong about this. Feel the weight lift off your shoulders. 2. The trade plan. Your plan is now a contingency plan. It answers, where does the market prove me wrong? Stop loss. What's the first sign my idea might be valid? The example, break of a minor resistance. Where will I move to break even at the first opportunity? Neutralizing risk. What does proven right actually look like? Take profit, trail zone. 3. The post-entry mindset. After you enter, you are no longer a cheerleader. You are a neutral judge. Your bias is gone. You are simply monitoring two outcomes. Am I wrong yet? Or am I being proven right? 4. The biggest benefit, emotional capital. When you're stopped out, you don't feel defeated. You feel efficient. You just paid a small fee for valuable information. That idea was wrong. That's a good deal. You save immense emotional capital for the few trades that truly trend and prove you right. Now, I can hear some of you thinking, but doesn't this kill my confidence? Don't I need conviction? This isn't about a lack of conviction in your process. Have unwavering conviction in your process, your analysis, your edge, your rules. Have zero conviction in the outcome of any single trade. The market doesn't care about your conviction. True confidence comes from knowing you can handle being wrong again and again and still be profitable. It comes from knowing your plan protects you. That is unshakable confidence. When you assume you're wrong, you stop fighting the market. You become a follower of price, not a prophet of it. You preserve capital for the few times the market hands you a massive yes. Your challenge for your next 5 trades: enter every one with the assumption you are wrong. Journal how it feels. I promise you, your attachment to outcomes will vanish and your decision making will become crystal clear. If this mindset shift resonated with you, smash that like button. It helps more than you know. Subscribe for more deep dives into the psychology that separates profitable traders from the crowd. In the comments below, tell me, what's the one trade where assuming you were wrong from the start would have saved you the most money? Let's learn from each other.